Lab's Great America invites you to step beyond the ordinary and journey into the beautiful tapestry of your own heart. While tradition meaningfully links our past to our present, memory possess the unique power to transform fleeting experiences into enduring legacies. We invite you to journey alongside Alice, unlock your mind's deepest wonders, and behold, memories in motion. As I reminisce, I think about what makes a day great. Is it the rush of adrenaline? The sound of laughter? Or the anticipation of what's to come? For me, it is something more, something far more precious. I remember it just like it was yesterday. Little did I know, it would turn out to be a day to remember.
Hey guys, I'm bored. I don't want to waste our summer away. I want to do something fun.
Me too. What are you guys thinking?
I don't know.
I know. Let me see if Mom will let me borrow the car. We could all go down to Great America. That's a great idea. I love it. Let's go. All right.
I see the drones going up.
Oh, yeah.
There's so many days in a year, just so many lives in view. Only so much time to show someone you know just how you feel. Great America, great days is what you need this year. Give me a great day, a day of laughing, a day to have, a day to
This is a pretty decent spot. It's a pretty decent spot. You can see the drones.
day to laugh and live, a day to have. Maybe a great day is what you need this year. Great
What do we do first?
Part of me wanted to run right to the eagle, but tradition is tradition. I know. Let's start at the beginning. The carousel.
All right.
I love
Sounds like a good plan. Let's go.
I'll wait for you. Hey, wait for me.
Come on,
ride on the carousel, we knew it was time to chase some thrills. We thought we were prepared, but then we came face to face with the demon. We decided to chase a few friendly faces, and I knew just where to find them. be a day we would never forget. And right then and there, I knew that we would come back to this place every summer.
And we did. We grew up with Great America, and Great America grew up with us. Now, these cherished memories from our childhood are shared with our family.
While these great moments may pass, great memories will live with us forever. Where it's a ride on the carousel, facing the demon, or dancing with friendly faces,
We know we are going to have a great day.
today and for the next 50 years to come. Memories in connection. We hope you have a wonderful evening and have a safe trip home.